Okay, let's check and see on the fender of my Jeep how much snow we actually got. There you go, 13 inches. You might remember this area as to where I brought my van up just a few months ago. And a big change in scenery, huh? And one thing I have in common with my van is we both hate the cold. And right now, it started out at 0 degrees this morning, and I think it's warmed up to 10. Hi everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Wow, it's only been a little over a year ago that I started my channel, and I cannot believe it's surpassed my wildest dreams. Pretty much right up until I got my van in May of this year, I think I had maybe 22 subscribers. And in these last few months, my channel has grown to almost 700 subscribers. That's like totally wild. I'm just blown away by all of your support, and I cannot thank you enough. I can't venture too close to the edge because that's quite the drop off, and I'm not ready to take a tumble right now. It's pretty to look at, but you don't want to stay outside here too long. I've heard it said that tomorrow is never promised, and you know, that's true. And we have to make each day count. And that's what I plan to do this year. I have no idea what's in store for me. I haven't gone out on the road, of course. I'm not set to go out on the road because, well, for one thing, I have nothing as far as like one of those Chinese diesel heaters to keep my butt warm. So the only place I'd be able to head to is south or southwest. And right now, for this holiday, I want to make sure that I'm with my family. I can remember the last 2 photos that I took of my mom just before the Christmas holiday, as she was telling me that she made a decision to stop her cancer treatments and was going to let nature take its place. And every time I look at those photos, yeah, even at 67 years of age, I still break down and cry, because it was at that point I realized I was losing my mom. And over the course of the years, I've lost my only 2 brothers that I've had, and one of my sisters. And if anything, I love to go through my photos, because we all used to get together at my mom's house, and Dad had been gone for many years, and Mom took over the house, and that's where we all got together. And usually Christmas Eve we got together at my brother's, because he was born on Christmas Day. So we had a birthday party for him on Christmas Eve. And then Christmas Day, all of us kids, after we got finished opening gifts, you know, with our immediate family, we all went over to Mom's, and then we got together, we ate, we joked, played cards. We just did everything together and had such a blast. And we made memories, and that, if anything you should remember, is to make memories. So as I close out this video, I want to thank you all for all of your support over the past few months, and I hope my channel continues to grow. And I want to wish you all a very Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, however you celebrate it. And I want to take the time to share my happy memories with you.